So this is what I would do if I wanted to lose weight but I didn't want to track my food. And I'm an online fitness coach, and these are the tips I would give to my clients if they didn't want to track. By the way, I completely understand why somebody wouldn't want to track their food. However, if you aren't completely against it, at the end of the day, tracking your food is just giving yourself data to work with. If you are open to it, I would definitely look into it, because you are going to get results a lot quicker, because it definitely just takes a lot of the guesswork out of it. But I also completely get that some people just feel a certain way when it comes to tracking their food. I even get into certain headspaces sometimes where I feel like that. So you definitely have to be in the right mindset if you are going to track your food. But anyways, we are here to talk about how to lose weight without tracking your food. Number one is meal hygiene. You might be wondering, what the hell is meal hygiene? So this basically refers to how you eat your food. The way to lose weight is to swap eating your dinner on the sofa whilst watching TV, whilst you can't put your knife and fork down, plates in one hand, forks in the other hand, and you're kind of scoffing your food down. You've got all these distractions around you. You want to swap that sort of environment to eat your dinner at a dinner table, be able to put your knife and fork down between each mouthful, have a sip of water regularly throughout your dinner as well. Take your time to eat your food, slow the whole process down. This ultimately allows you to become more aware of your hunger and fullness cues. It's about 20 minutes for your belly to tell your brain, I am full. So you need to slow your eating down, put yourself in an environment where you can actually listen out for those signals. Number two, I've said it before and I'll say it again, protein. You have to be eating protein. People aren't just saying it for fun, and it's not just for people who want to build muscle. If you want to lose weight and you want to lose body fat and not just weight, because they are two different things, then you want to be prioritizing your protein intake. Just a really easy way to make sure you're eating enough protein is to make sure you include it with each of your meals. You've got foods like eggs, poultry, red meat, fish. You've got plant-based proteins. You've got supplement-based proteins like protein shakes, protein bars. There's so much for you to choose from. You want to be making sure you are getting some protein in with each meal that you are having. Number three is weighing your food out. So notice how I didn't say we're going to track your calories or put anything into a food tracking app. Doesn't mean you can't weigh your food. You might think you're eating the correct serving size, the right portion size, but you might also be having double, and that might be the problem. So stop eyeballing your food and start weighing your food out. I find this just helps you become more aware of what you're eating without the added pressure of knowing how many calories you're eating as well. Number four is having regular meal times. One of the reasons you're always hungry, snacking, boredom eating is because you have no routine or structure when it comes to your food. So when you have rough set meal times, it doesn't need to be the same time every single day, but you roughly know when you're going to have certain meals, just gain so much more control back on how much you're going to be consuming, and it will just regulate your hunger as well. On the flip side, not regulating those meals just